Hello everyone! Welcome to the Unsalted Kitchen channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade barbecue sauce, American style. So let's get started. On the next video, I'm going to show you what we're going to need, like recipes or ingredients. Okay? See you on the other side after this intro. The ingredients for making barbecue sauce: we have paprika, ground cumin, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, Bragg aminos soy sauce, French's Worcestershire sauce, marsala cooking wine, and tomato ketchup. No added salt. Let's get started. So guys, all we have to do is, in a medium pot, just mix all the ingredients. First, add the ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider, marsala cooking wine, Bragg aminos soy sauce, French Worcestershire sauce, it's kind of hard to pronounce it, and we will have 2 teaspoons ground cumin, and we will have paprika. This would be 1 teaspoon, and all we have to do is mix it. And then cook it in a low medium heat for 10 minutes. So let's just cut this. And after 10 minutes, we are done. Hi everyone! I just wanted to show you what the barbecue looked like after cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes. So you can serve this barbecue with pork, chicken or beef or whatever you desire. And today we're going to have pork barbecue. As I said earlier, we're having pork for dinner with barbecue sauce from scratch, served with a side of potato salad and broccoli. But feel free to use the sauce with other type of meat that you desire. After all, this video is about to make barbecue sauce from scratch. By the way, I doubled the ingredients in this video so that I can have extra for future use. Also, you can make this sauce ahead if you wish. This barbecue sauce could last for up to a week or so if stored properly in a glass jar with a tight lid, and 6 weeks if refrigerated. If you enjoyed this video and wanted to see more, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell, which I update every week about food. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!